On top education matter, Obaseki pledged support for vulnerable to include RESA special school for annual subvention. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don reaffirm his administration commitment to cater for vulnerable persons wey dey di state. He say the government go include Rosluye Exceptional Student Academy (RESA) for im annual budgetary subvention to develop the school for children wey get special needs for the state. Oga Governor tok dis one wen e inaugurate the RESA Special School for Benin City wey be the Edo State capital. He say government no suppose to be for the strongest or the wealthiest, but na for those wey need help. Income reassure say im presence must to bring meaning to the lives of the children wey get special needs.
Government should not be for the strongest. Government should not be for the wealthiest. Government should be for those who are at the bottom and those who need help. And I must say, I'm truly impressed. And my presence here today must have meaning for these children. So I am also instructing the Permanent Secretary to now include as a line item in our budget, annual budget, a subvention to this facility, to this school, so that on an annual basis, government will subvent you just like we're doing for a few of that sort foundations.
The ogbonge people wey dey for the inauguration and the Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the founder Rosluye Exceptional Student Academy Ms. Osareme Isaac Alui, and Honorable Jim Adu. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top education matter as Obaseki pledged support for vulnerable to include RESA Special School for annual subvention. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.